Welcome back guys, we are back here with another bag series. We have made a lot of videos on different bags and today we are going to be talking about our most talked brand, TomTok. TomTok is a quite popular internationally and is known for its premium look and design. Right now I have this TomTok Stira T36 light sling bag. We are gonna go in the depth and the details of this bag, the material, features, everything that you need to know about for you to know if it's worth the purchase or not. This Stira T36 light sling bag comes in 4 colors as you can see on the screen. So you have variety of options to choose from with the volume of 10 liters and can fit up to 11 inches tablet. Now coming to the design of this bag. The design of this bag is very beautiful and aesthetic. It is inspired by the Earth's curve. The bag pairs fluffy organic shape with spacious smart storage and it is light as air. Now coming on to the material of this bag. The bag is made of nylon polyester and usually the Tira bags are made of robust material. That means you can expect them to withstand daily use and outdoor conditions. Now looking at the top, even the handle is made of nylon and it's quite soft when you touch it. Now coming to the back. Here the shoulder straps are way too comfortable and the wide straps make it very convenient for you to carry it on the shoulder and you can easily adjust them. Also the great thing about this is they have given this hook which you can remove and put it either on the left side or the right hand side. Either way that is convenient for you. Now coming to the compartments of the bag. Looking in the front, they have given this one zipper pocket which is quite big enough and they have given this main compartment with other 2 pockets so you can organize your stuff really well. You can keep your AirPods, charger or cash, etc. Also they have given this key lanyard so you can just hook your keys onto it and you don't have to worry about them getting mixed up in all your stuff inside this pocket. Now looking inside of this bag, there's a main compartment, an open pocket, a compartment for your tablet and a zipper pocket. Also a great thing about this bag, inside they have given this side pocket where you can fit your umbrella or water bottle and it has a drawstring, so I know the bottle size differs, so you can just adjust the string according to your convenience. So in the main compartment you can keep your charger, power bank or small diary, and in the open compartment you can keep your tablet charger, and in the zipper pocket I think you can fit your pen drive, SSD, cash, etc. For this tablet compartment, here you can fit up to 11 inches of the device and the fabric inside is way too soft, so it is gonna protect your device from the scratches, etc. Also looking at the corners of this bag, the corners are protected with the padding, so even if your bag falls down, your devices are still gonna be safe. Now looking at the back pocket, which we can call a hidden pocket, here you can easily fit your passport or cash, keys, mobile phone. So it's like whenever you're traveling and you want to keep something way too protected and safely, you can keep it here. TomTok usually uses YKK zippers in its bag, and in this bag as well they have used YKK zippers, which is a quite premium brand. So it makes it easy for you to glide the zippers and is great for the long-term use. So the overall design of this bag is minimal but way too modern, so you can style it according to your convenience. If you're 5'9" or more, this is how it's gonna look on you. If you're 5'3" or 5'4", this is how it's gonna look on you. Anyone can style it anytime. You can take it to college, office or on trips. So I think it is great for your daily use. That's it for today's video. We'll be back with similar videos, and for that, follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.